Hi guys, welcome back to Becoming DineoM. It's DineoM here. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'll be showing you guys my simple and easy eyebrow routine. So if you are interested on how I do my natural brow, please stay tuned. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like, comment and share my video. Without any waste of time, let's get into the video. Now the first thing that you're going to need is a spoolie or an old clean mascara brush. I use this one from Avon just to brush up your eyebrows to be neat. Then you're going to need razor blade to shave off the unwanted hair, Vaseline to help the razor glide, then tissue paper to wipe the razor and brows, some dark brown eyebrow pencil, some concealer. I'm using the shade medium beige by LA Girl. Now I'm going to brush up my brows with a spoolie so that I can see clearly where I need to trim off. Then I'm going to apply a good amount of Vaseline just to help the razor glide when I'm trimming off the excess hair. Vaseline is so good, you guys. It helps you to also prevent you from cutting your skin as well. I'm gonna brush up my brows again. Now it's time to trim. I'm going to use the razor blade, obviously. Then I'm just gonna use the corner of the razor blade just to trim off the hair that I don't want. I'm going to start at the bottom. As you can see, I am trimming off the bottom first. Trim. Just be careful, don't cut yourself, you guys. You need to be really gentle when you're working with a razor blade because it's really sharp. Then I'm gonna wipe off the excess hair on the tissue paper. Now I think the bottom is fine. I'm just gonna go up and trim the top part. Now you must note that when I'm trimming my brows, what I do is that I try to pull the skin so that it can be straight to avoid any folds, because when you have folds you'll end up cutting your skin. So that's why I'm pulling my skin up so that I can cut smoothly. Just cut into a shape that you prefer. I like my brows nice and just a bit thick, not too thick and not too thin, just medium size. Then I'm going to brush them up again with a spoolie and see where I need to cut again, or rather trim. Then now I'm moving over to the other brow and I'm going to do the exact same thing. Pull the skin so you avoid any folds. Be gentle with the razor. Brush up again. So I'm trying to make my brows look the same, you guys. You know what they say. They can never be twins, but they can be sisters. So I'm trying to make them look like sisters. Now we are done with trimming our brows. We are moving over to the next step of filling our brows. Now we're trying to achieve this natural look. So to achieve that, you have to first make sure that your brow pencil is not too blunt, so you need to sharpen it. So here I'm just putting powder on my eyebrows just to make sure that there's no Vaseline left over. So I'm going to brush my brows to neaten them up. Then what I'm doing here is that I'm adding like a few strokes, just a light hand, few strokes. We still want our brows to look natural, like they are brows. Brush up if there's any pigment, like strong pigment. If it's too dark, you brush it up. I'm using my brow spoolie there just for convenience sake. So I'm going to put like strokes at the end, on the edge, wherever I feel that I need some filling. So I'm just gonna fill up my brows with just strokes, just to make sure that they look as natural as possible. And if you make any mistakes or whatever, strokes that at the wrong place, you can always wipe them with a towel, a damp towel. So there I am adding the strokes. Brush them up to make them look a bit more natural. Add more strokes if needed to. So I like my brows a bit more lighter in the front and a bit darker in the end, or at the end. Then I'm going to fill in the other brow the same way. Lighter in the front and darker at the end. Brush them up if I feel like the front is too dark. Now I'm going to squeeze out a bit of the concealer on the back of my hand, then get a bit of it on my brush, then clean the bottom and the top just to neaten up my brow. So I'm going to do the same with the other brow as well. So I'm just neatening up the bottom. Just be careful. Now I do agree that this concealer that I used here is a bit light. I was supposed to use the Cool Tan, but I couldn't find it, so I used this one anyway. So yeah, I will blend it at the end though, just to make sure that it does not show too much, but it helps with cleaning up my brows. There again, I go with a damp sponge just to blend the concealer. I still want those sharp corners, so I add a bit with a pencil or brow pencil. Then I'm doing the same to the other brow. Like blend as much as you can. Just blend, just to remove that concealer. You don't want that concealer to be visible at the end of the day. Then when you're done, brush your brows just to make sure they look natural. I like mine looking super natural. Blend, girl, blend. Now we are done. Here I am. I went to lay my edges just to look cute and all that. We're done with our brows. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, tell me what you think about my brows. Let me know if you're going to try them, I mean. And yeah, as you can see, they look so natural, so cute. You can wear them on a daily basis. That's it from me, you guys. Goodbye. Oh, don't forget to follow me on my social media account. It's becoming_DineoM. Thank you so much for tuning in. Love you.